Hey, this is Rob Houston, and we're here in downtown Enid at the site of the world's tallest fresh-cut Christmas tree, and also Holidays on Ice in downtown Enid. A lot of things going on there, but there are also several events going on throughout our community, including fun for the kids at Leonardo's, and maybe even take a sleigh ride with Santa Claus. It's one of 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. Bennie's Barn Horse Therapy Ranch has done sleigh rides with Santa for a number of years out at their location on Roop. But this year, they've changed that, and it's going to be going on at 81 Ranch on Friday night, 5 until 9 p.m. Head out to 81 Ranch, just north of Enid on Highway 81, and enjoy a sleigh ride with Santa. There'll also be plenty of hot cocoa and just things to keep you warm, as well as you'll be able to pet the horses. It's going to be a fun time. It's $20 for adults, $10 for children, and all the proceeds will benefit Bennie's Barn. It's Sleigh Rides with Santa, Friday, 5 until 9 p.m. at 81 Ranch. Adventure Quest at Leonardo's Children's Museum will once again be lit up on Friday night as Leonardo's presents Night of Lights. This is an event they've been doing each Friday in December, and it will continue this Friday, 5 until 7 p.m. You'll get to play with Santa's elves. There'll be cookie decorating. There'll be arts and crafts, warm drinks like cocoa and hot cider, and just a great time at Leonardo's like you always have at Leonardo's. It's Adventure Quest, and so it'll be outside, dress warmly, but you'll have a great time. Leonardo's Children's Museum, it's Night of Lights, Friday at Adventure Quest. Oklahoma's music ambassador and Enid native Kyle Dillingham returns to his hometown for his annual Christmas concert at Enid First Assembly of God Church. It's Hometown Christmas with Kyle Dillingham and Horseshoe Road. Kyle will be playing several Christmas favorites on his fiddle like no one else other than Kyle can do it. It's a great time. You will enjoy Kyle Dillingham and his music, and it will help get you into the Christmas spirit. 6 o'clock Sunday night, Enid First Assembly of God Church for Hometown Christmas with Kyle Dillingham. Head to the farm on Norman Saturday for their Christmas market. It's a good chance to get some of those last-minute Christmas gifts. They'll also have a live nativity scene, and they will also have some baby reindeer for you to take photos with you and your kids. It is the Christmas market, 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. on Saturday at the farm on Norman. Christmas at the farm at Redbird Farm continues this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Your last chance to maybe get a Christmas tree and do a lot of shopping inside the Big Red Barn. The Enid Symphony is having a Christmas art show on Sunday featuring the work of Oklahoma artist Connie Moore. It runs from 2 until 4 on Sunday. Enid High is hosting the Holiday Basketball Classic this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday night at the Enid High Gymnasium. And that's 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. Again, plenty of holiday activities here at the One. And also, make sure you go ice skating. It's a lot of fun at Holidays on Ice in downtown Enid. For more information on all of our holiday events, as well as events coming up in 2023, go to our website, visitenid.org.